I want to show you finally, once you have your design ready and you like it, how do you actually use this? Well, you can go to File and Download up here. So File, Download, or you can actually go to, on the right side, Share, and then from here, you can see a lot of different ways. Go right to Instagram, print, whatever, present. But I just go to Download. And when you're downloading here, you have some options, especially, again, if you have Canva, Pro, but you can download as a JPEG, a PNG, like lots of different styles. PDF is a really useful one as well. Lots of different ways you can download these, and you can also have a transparent background. So if I want this background to be transparent, I can just select the background, click delete. There's no longer a background on this. And if I say share, I can go to download. I can select transparent background, and I can choose maybe not all of these. Maybe I just want page 3. I could say done, and I can download that. So that's going to download just this page as a PNG. Another really neat thing that I actually didn't even realize you could do until pretty recently is if you need to just download a couple things together, you can select them all by clicking and dragging a box around them, or you could hold shift and just click all of them. But then what you do is you make them a group by clicking group, which is also useful. You can resize them and move them anywhere as one consistent group, but also you can then right click, you can download selection, and again, you can make this a transparent background as well. Otherwise, it's going to be a white background. We can change the size of this, make it a little bit bigger, and I can download this. And by the way, transparent background only works if it's a PNG. It won't work for a JPEG. But if I click this and I open it, you can see it just downloaded. Obviously, it looks bad because I just selected a random thing there, but you're able to download this, and I can put this on other designs. I can put it on a t-shirt. I could do whatever, but it's just neat that you can download individual selections without a background.